Hi.
Hi.
So here we are again, and we're going to do some more floor exercises. And so the next one that we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about protecting joints, and then we're going to show sort of rolling a log, or some people call this riding the wave. And so anyway, joints first.
All right.
If you'd be willing to lie down for a moment. If I'm going to put my weight on Sean and I were to hurt her, I would hurt her by being on her knees, on her ankles, crushing her wrists, crushing her elbows, crushing her shoulders, crushing her face, right? So as the heavier person, I want to make sure that I don't crush my partner, and I particularly don't want to crush their joints, okay? I don't want her to crush me either, or my joints. Okay, so when we're sharing weight on the floor, you want to be protective of your partner's joints. Okay, and so now there's a nice little roll that we can do here. How about if I'm under first? Okay, and so when we were doing that spiraling against in the last video, I was spiraling towards Sean in this way. But if she leans on me and I spiral away from her, I can now take her weight and provide her kind of a wave to ride. And if we're here, and I go now the other direction, she can assist and ride the wave the other direction. And it's also possible to like dive onto the person a little bit and making sure you don't pull out your partner's hair. And like that. And after the wave has been ridden, then I could come up and ride her wave pretty easily. Mm-hmm. So if you were to roll towards yeah, exactly. All right? So we sort of ran into the wall there, but you get the idea. So I want to show one more thing with that. Let's see. If I'm riding Sean this way, so you're rolling towards the camera. There we go. And Paul's right here. As we're here, I might be thinking, oh, I'm crushing my partner. How are you doing?
I'm good.
She's good, but I could be thinking, oh, I'm crushing her. So I could take my weight on my arms a little bit if I wanted to, and I can also start to raise one of my legs, and this will take the weight of this leg and put it off of her body. Okay, so I'm heavier if I'm over here, yeah? Mm-hmm. And lighter over here.
Yeah.
So it's a way for me to make myself lighter so that I don't have to be as concerned about crushing my partner. How's that?
That was great. Good. No crushing.
Okay.